Hi, this is Chris Gold with Geeks on Tour, and in this tutorial video, we're going to show you how to create a brand new post. Now that you have a blog, all you need to do is to go to blogger.com and log in, choose the blog you want to work with in case there's more than one, click New Post, type what you want to say, and click Publish. Let's do it. Blogger is 100% web-based, as nothing is on your computer, so you can go to any computer, open up a web browser, go on the web, and just go to blogger.com. Then you need to sign in with your Google account. In our case, it's Odie. And your password, and sign in. Now, you will probably only see one blog here. Odie does this a lot, so he has several. But the first one is the one we're going to work with. We don't need to make a new blog anymore. We just need to make a new post on this blog. So where there's one post that we did in the last video, we're going to create new post. Every post should have a title, and that goes right here. So Odie's going to talk about how he travels with geeks. Then the main part of the screen is where you type whatever you want to say. You don't need to know anything about HTML. You should be using the compose mode. We'll talk about HTML later, but compose. All you need to know is what you want to say, and you just type that. There. I'm a fast typist, aren't I? So once you have what you want to say typed in, all you have to do is click the big orange button, Publish. When you view blog, you should see them in the right order. So the post that I just wrote, I Travel with Geeks, is on top, and the first blog post was below that, and there is a blog archive that has been started. That's all there is to creating a new post. You log in, you choose your blog, you click New Post, type what you want to say, and publish. There's lots more to learn at geeksontour.tv for tutorial videos.